we will climb waterfalls. Now we are heading to the Tumpak Sewu waterfalls.
We will enter caves in the middle of the jungle.
Wow! No! And cool off under the waters of Tumpak Sewu waterfalls. Good morning from Ranu Pani. As you can see, the Volcano Semeru is still erupting, the same as yesterday. Luckily, it's not a big eruption, right? And today we are gonna go to the Tumpak Sewu waterfalls. This is a spot that you won't probably see in any videos because this area is actually closed to the public. I mean, they say that all the hikes and everything is closed. We saw no tourists at all. Apparently because of the eruptions of Mount Semeru in the last 2 years, no one has been coming here. Before 2 days, we were there seeing the sunrise, and we went also here to the Sea of Sand and to the Teletubbies Hills, which are right behind me. And do you remember that we said there is a huge cliff, you know, that is all green? Well, now we are on top of it. We've just arrived to another of the viewpoints of Mount Bromo, which is called Bromo Hillside. And yeah, from there, you could see the sunrise. Now we are heading to the Tumpak Sewu waterfalls. Tickets.
Ticket.
Oh wow, I can imagine this while raining. A good slope.
We drove through things like this on a motorcycle when it was raining.
No way. This. And with
It ended up
and
there.
this.
It ended exactly how you think it.
Like, 3 locals holding kites back on the motorbike. Tried with following.
All right. Yes. I must say that these waterfalls were actually a big surprise. I expected them to be much smaller, and there you have them. And now we are gonna go down there to see if we can go under the waterfall. Now let's start exploring.
But tourists at 3 p.m. are prohibited from going down. But we always can come later.
What time is it?
It's 1:30.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm serious.
Wow, real adventure. And now you have to walk over the waterfall. Marine, how would you rank the safety measures of this place?
I would give it a 10 out of 10.
All right, yes.
It is even nice for swimming. It's very small because there's so many people. But it's good to remember this one.
Cave. Down there. Now let's continue to the cave. I think I'm not on the right path, but now I just have to continue. Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
Ya hemos llegado a las cascadas de Goa y ahora vamos a entrar. Aquí están, aquí y allá. Vamos, acompañadme. A ver. Lleno de arañas. No, no. Vale, acabamos de entrar a las cascadas. Bueno, no me puedo grabar a mí porque si no, no veo nada adelante. Así que vamos a ver por el camino. ¡Wow! ¡No! ¡Qué guapada! ¡Dios! ¡Es enorme! Esto está lleno de cuevas. ¡Dios! ¡Qué miedo! Voy a ver si me puedo meter por ahí. ¡Hala! Con mucho cuidado. Seguimos, seguimos. ¡Oye, oye! Ya que hay una salidita, a ver. Vale, vamos a pasar rápido. Ahí en la estalactita. Aquí hay una salida. Parece que no hay araña. ¡Guau! Misión conseguida. Right now, I'm all in the waterfalls of Goa, and I think I'm the only one that has reached this point. I haven't seen yet anyone, and as you can see, I'm on the cave, and behind me there's a curtain, a waterfall. If you come to these waterfalls, I wouldn't recommend you to come with flip-flop. Come with some shoes that you can put in water without problem. And you should come with swimsuits. Why? Because it's full of pools. I would say it's quite crazy that to come to these waterfalls you have to climb and go down through these waterfalls. So let's do it. Mission accomplished. Now we have to trek up all the way up. It's gonna be 15 to 20 minutes, but it might take longer. Look at that. You may end up on the floor, or even worse, down there. Wow, I have to be careful myself too. This is crazy. I need to work on my cardio too. It's been a long time since I haven't run. Wow. Now, with all this iron there, wow, it's quite uncomfortable. But you'll see that it changes. It's clear for me that these waterfalls are just made for people who are adventure seeking. At last, we found some real meat, which is fried rice. This looks like it's gonna be our place to stay, right? We've just found an interesting place, which is the shower. There wasn't enough nature in this Java, which had to have it also in a bedroom. We're back. Where we are going to sleep, or where we are going to ascend.
If you like this video and wanna watch more adventures, subscribe to the channel and click the like button. This way you'll also help us improve our reach and the quality of our videos. Come along with us to explore the hidden places of the world. See you in the next episode.